here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's quick video, I'm just going to be reviewing this my very first house plant that I bought from Lowe's for $1. I mean, I'm actually surprised myself, but I got this for $1, and it's the peace lily. The peace lily has many benefits, so let's just go ahead and get started with the review. Hey guys, so this is a plant we're going to be talking about that I got for $1 from Lowe's. This is the peace lily plant. Look at how tall this is for $1. I mean, now I've been watching a lot of indoor plant people here on YouTube. The one I usually watch is Plant Mama Tatiana. I think some of you already know her. But yeah, so I think these were rubbing off on me, and when I saw this on a clearance rack, I figured I'd just give it a shot because I know a little bit about this plant right here, and I know that they're very easy to take care of. One of the main benefits of this plant is that it sort of cleans the air, right? So if you have something that's going to give you clean air, why not? So it's one of the main reasons why I bought it. But the plant is not in the best of shape, okay? Now peace lily usually doesn't like sunlight, and based on the location where I found this at Lowe's, I think that the location is probably the reason why it's like it has these like leaves. The leaves are yellow and brown, okay? So they don't like too much sunlight. But it's pretty healthy to me, you know. It's to get this for $1, it's just really surprising, okay? The one thing that I love also about this is that it's very easy to propagate based on what the small reading that I've done so far. And I would love to have a couple of these, one in my bedroom also, since like I said earlier on, it cleans the air. I would love to have like one in my office, one in my bedroom. So I think the easy propagation of this is also the reason why I decided to get it. But let me just go ahead and show you, okay? So this was originally I think it was going for, let me sit down right here. It was, let me see if you can see this clearly, $24.98, right? And then they put it on sale for $12, right? And then I went to Lowe's yesterday because I couldn't find anything at my local store, so I was just hopping from place to place. And yeah, I don't want the guy who sold it to me to get in trouble, okay? So right here I went there and I was able to get 4 hydrangeas. It was initially it was 24, and then they marked it down for $12, like this one here. But then the trick with Lowe's is that when you get to the counter, you can always ask if you can get an extra discount, and the guy actually gave me the plants for $6 each. And then we get down to my peace lily right here, and I got it for $1, right? $1 here. And then I bought, because I knew I was gonna bring this in here, I paid for this right here, which I think came to, this was actually, this here is actually more expensive than the plant right here. So let me see if you can see this. Let me wait for this to, yeah, so see that the plastic saucer came up to like $3.68. It's $3.68. So I got 5 plants, okay, for less than, well, yeah, less than $30. Okay, so everything I bought yesterday came up to $30.50 because tax was like $1.82. So look at this, how massive this is. Let me just go back and show you how big this plant is, right? Look at that. Just look at this. Let me show you from a different angle. I'm actually really excited. I mean, for $1, I'm not gonna complain. So look at this right here, okay? Yeah, so I'm just so grateful to have Lowe's coming through for us, you know, for us that need plants and can't like really afford the full prices. So yeah, so that's just my basic review of my $1 plant, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.